What you got?
Hey, we got Just Making Do Farms here with you today, folks, at a good friend's house, basting some chicken wings and some turkey breast with his good old special sauce.
What you got here? I just got some chicken quarters and a turkey breast I'm trying to smoke and getting ready for a big reunion tomorrow. And,
Looking good, looking
yeah,
good.
Not too bad, but what a lot of people don't understand when they're smoking meat, it gets dry after a while.
Yeah.
And you really kind of need to do some basting. And this is something new right here. I've kind of worked on right here. I'm just taking a little bit of butter, a little apple juice.
Little bit of melted butter.
Yeah. Put it in there, a little apple juice. Stir it up, a little apple juice. Stir it up a little bit. Pork, it really works well with pork.
Yes.
Then I put some Everglades on there, and little salt and pepper, and we go on with it, and we just hope for the best, you know. And then we'll find out in probably another hour or two. We'll check back in with you.
That sounds good. Just making do, baby.
Thank you.